Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. If you are preparing to take the Praxis Social Studies U.S. History Test 5081, then let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Which of the following was a tobacco colony? A. Rhode Island, B. New Hampshire, C. North Carolina, or D. New York. Along with Virginia and Maryland, North Carolina was one of the tobacco colonies. Its production of tobacco was third of the three. So the answer here is C. Which Native American tribe befriended the colonists at Plymouth and instructed them in how to hunt, fish, and grow crops? A. The Micmac, B. The Mohegan, C. The Wampanoag, or D. The Cherokee. Let's look into the geography first, which may help us answer the question. Plymouth is in Massachusetts. The territory of each of the tribes is as follows. The Micmac, mainly in what is now Canada and northern Maine. The Mohegan, what is now central southern Connecticut. The Wampanoag, parts of Rhode Island and Massachusetts. And the Cherokee, areas that are now Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and North Carolina. So I think we can safely say it's the Wampanoag, based on geography alone. But let's look at some more details. Massasoit, the great sachem of the tribe, welcomed the settlers of the Plymouth plantation, possibly because his tribe had recently experienced a large death toll because of an epidemic. C is the answer. Which constitutional amendment requires states to abide by the Federal Bill of Rights? A. 14th, B. 15th, C. 16th, or D. 13th? We're going to work backwards on this one. D. The 13th Amendment abolished slavery. So it is not that one. The 16th Amendment was about income taxation, so it will not be that one either. The 15th Amendment dealt with voting rights, so that cannot be the answer either. So under the doctrine of incorporation, the Supreme Court decision incorporated many Bill of Rights guarantees into the 14th Amendment. And there we have the answer, A. During the Second Great Awakening, predestination was a concept largely ignored because A. Church leaders were growing more powerful and having visions. B. There was a move toward the preaching of salvation and free will. C. Dwindling church followers. Or D. Government regulation on religious rights. So let's look at the history. The Second Great Awakening was a Protestant revival that lasted from about 1795 to 1835. The focus at this time shifted toward saving souls, preaching salvation, and free will, and away from the Calvinist doctrine of predestination, which is a doctrine that states that God has determined all that will happen. This was a time of great socio-political change with new ideas such as abolition, temperance, and even women's rights forming. So the answer to this is B, move towards the preaching of salvation and free will. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the topics you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.